Fans want more of me. Haters always bore me. Tell them dudes that be hating in your ear, I can't concentrate on you, I got priorities. Fans want more of me. Haters always bore me. Tell them dudes that be hating in your ear, I can't concentrate on you, I got priorities. Crazy fight.
Hello everybody out there in YouTube land, this is your boy Carlos Cortez coming at you with a duel. My other 3 accounts have gotten banned, so I made a new one and I'm gonna see how this works. Oh man, I am about to get bumbled. Shout out to Mac and the Gadget Guy. Everybody go follow him. Subscribe. Oh man, 3 sets. Really? Evil Swords, piece of. And sub to his team channel too, Team Dreamer. Hopefully this guy doesn't have like super set back row and murks me. Oh my gosh. You gonna go? Okay, obviously he's a wind-up fan too. Oh my goodness, he's slow playing. I hate this so much. Why do I have a feeling? Let's go ahead. You know you're gonna detach him. I'm great. Ooh, super pluses. Yep. Priorities effect. To hand and to hand. Phase. Dimensional prison. What did I say? 2. Wait. So I'll set Honeybee next turn, and then Rabbit. They'll kill Honeybee, go into Rabbit, What the flip? Flying fluff. What is this? Okay. Well, I took that away. Honeybee for the kill. Honeybee beat down. Let's go. What's on my butt? What is this, like a toss together deck? A card. Whoa. Oh. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? I'm about to start super flussing off this. Wait, did he just sack a monster for it? Oh crap, these Verz piece of crap, so now I gotta take a 50 off. What is that? 1850? Right? Sure. Okay, it's not, wait. Dang, I didn't plus. Oh well, it's too late. Because it's yeah, it's not a mental effect. Huh. He asking me what my card is? You're playing Evil Tile, Verz, Gogogo, whatever.
Alright, I'm gonna turn my mic on for this. What's the problem now?
He doesn't know the card.
What card?
He's never seen Swinging Spring Scales. So he's just asking what's going on.
Oh, what, can you not read?
That's what I said. I mean, come on, it's really not that hard. And he's asking me what this is. I'm like, what are you playing? He's playing Verz, Evil Tile, Evil Sword, freaking Gogogo crap.
Roton Dragon crap.
Yes. Next pack.
We're just trying to combine 3 different decks into one. Controlling with 60 cards, you know that.
Right? Come on, for real. He's playing 60 cards. You can't even debate what he wants.
Like, honestly, if you pick the lower one, you get to draw a card. If you pick the higher one, then you can exceed it to a bigger monster. Not that hard.
Either way, he's screwed. Yes, they come Gen whatever.
comes out in January 14th.
He's like avoiding it.
Seriously. Call an admin.
I just want him to pick. I don't need. It's not even that serious to me. Like, if his rank is so high, how does he not know this? He's a 1077. Oh, okay. Would have been nice. I should have activated his effect, huh?
Oh, dude, you should have leveled up Warrior before you.
I thought about that afterwards. Oh well, too late.
Then
now.
you could have gone for Cheers or Adrius.
Yeah. Oh well.
Most likely Adrius.
Bad play by me. I'll live.
Stop saying no. You're heartless. Anyway, I'm gonna turn my mic back off.
Turn my sound on. I don't know why my sound was off. Ooh, yeah. It does look like a zombified catastrophe. Really? So you're gonna try and Gale and cut? Effect. My goodness. Don't you just hate slow playing? No. No, I didn't want to. Sad face. Ah, juggler. Either way, it was gonna die. Hello to what? Oh my goodness, you're gonna take all your time, and then when I pause for a second, you're gonna get upset. Okay, we're at 13:30, and you're. Oh my goodness. I'm like, I'm gonna shoot you. Well, there goes that. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Remember, comment, rate, and subscribe. Comment and subscribe to my boy Mac and the Gadget Guy and his team, Team Dreamer. Thanks for watching.